Losing your Chrome bookmarks can feel like losing tiny pieces of your online brain. But don't panic. I'm going to guide you through getting them back on your Mac. First, and this is the easiest fix, make sure you're logged into Chrome with the Google account you usually use. Chrome automatically syncs your bookmarks to your account, so logging back in often restores them instantly. Click on your profile picture and confirm that this is the correct Google account. If that doesn't work, double-check your sync settings. Go to Chrome settings, then click on You and Google. Make sure sync is enabled. If it is, click on Manage what you sync and confirm that bookmarks are toggled on. This ensures that all your browsing data is being saved and restored. If sync is enabled and you still can't see your bookmarks, it's time to check for a backup file. Open Finder. Go to Go in the menu bar at the top and select Go to Folder Now. Type in ~Library Application Support Google Chrome. Default look for files named Bookmarks and Bookmarks Back. The back file is your backup. Close Chrome, then rename the Bookmarks file to something like Bookmarksal just in case. Next, rename Bookmarks back to simply Bookmarks. Reopen Chrome, and with any luck, your bookmarks will be back. This restores your Chrome bookmarks to a previous state.